So before we get started, Mrs. Engel wants you to make some counting by fives. So we're going to do like 5 through 20 up here. Can you do that? 5 counting by fives. 5. Is that counting by fives? 5. What, if we're counting by fives, what's the next number after 5?
15.
No, 5, 10. Then 15. Yep, you got it.
20. 25.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
30. 35.
Good. I think that's good enough. We're going to count by tens. Let's put those tens like right next to the fives.
Count by tens.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think that's, oh, you can go all the way to 100? Perfect. All right, now Mrs. Engel has this pile of money here. So let's separate the dimes, which are worth 10, right above the 10 column, and then separate the nickels over by the 5 column. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is that a nickel or is that a penny? Those guys are only worth 1. Okay, so we put our little pennies here by themselves, right? Okay, so if we're going to count those nickels by fives, how much do we have in the nickels? Because remember, we count them by 5. So we can go like this. We can go 5, 10.
15. 20.
So how much do we have in nickels?
20.
20. Now guess what? We already have 20 cents. So guess where we're going to start with the dimes?
20.
We're going to start right underneath them because we already have 20 cents, right? And we have a dime that goes to 20, so we can start right here when we add our dimes, because we're adding how much to this when we add a dime?
25.
Then dimes are worth how much?
10.
They're worth 10. So count that out and let's make sure I'm right. If I have 20 and I add 10 to it, do I get to 30? Why don't you check that out for me on your fingers? So start 21. Oh, let's count again on my fingers. Ready? Count with me. 21.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Did we get 30? All right, well, guess what? There's our 30. What are we going to do now when we add another 10 to it? What are we going to be at?
30.
And then what are we going to be at?
50.
And then what are we going to be at?
60.
And then what are we going to be at?
70.
And then what are we going to be at?
80.
Oh my gosh, we're getting close. What are we at now?
90.
We are at 90 cents. We have 90 cents. Now these guys only get 1. So what's our next number going to be? 90. If I have 90 and I add 1 to it, what's my change going to be?
100.
I'm only adding 1 to it. So 89, 90. let's start counting at 85. Let's go 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90. What are we going to be at?
91,
Yes, 91. Now what's our next number?
92, 93, 94, 95, 96.
So how much change did we have?
96.
96. Great job.